Is your iPhone out of storage space on iOS 27? Here is exactly how to clear out your system data and free gigabytes of space fast. No fluff, let's go. Fix number one. If Safari or your web browser is eating up all your storage on iOS 27, you need to flush the cache. Go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, scroll down to Safari. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to tap Clear History and Website Data. All history. This works the same way on Google Chrome and Firefox too if you don't use Safari. Fix number two. If your photos and videos are maxing out your iPhone storage, you can quickly move them to a flash drive just like this one without paying for iCloud. If you have an older iPhone, just grab a lightning adapter. I'll link both of them down below and I'll have a full video on this coming soon. Fix number three. If your Messages app is hoarding gigabytes of old data on iOS 27, stop keeping text forever. Go to Settings, scroll down to Apps. Now we're going to scroll down to Messages. And now we're going to scroll down to Keep Messages. And we're going to switch this from forever to 30 days. Fix number four. If your iPhone storage is completely full on iOS 27, hidden iMessage videos and photos are likely eating your space. Go to Settings. We're going to tap on General. Now we're going to tap on iPhone Storage. Now we're going to scroll down to Messages. Now we're going to look at the photos and videos. Tap on videos first. This is going to show you all the larger videos that are currently sitting in your iMessages. We'll go edit and we'll delete them to clear storage. And then we can also do this with the photos if you have a lot of photos in here as well. Fix number five. If your iPhone system data is completely out of control, a forced reboot will clear the temporary bloatware. To do this, we're going to hit volume up, volume down, and then we're going to hold the power button. And we're going to keep holding the power button until we see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you'll let go. And this should help clear out some of that system data. Let me know in the comments how many gigabytes of space you just freed up, and I'll see you in the next one.